Listen to the dialogue and questions carefully. Questions 47 to 50. Listen to a talk by a professor in a political science course. In the talk, the professor is explaining an assignment.
Today, I will be explaining to you what I'm looking for in your research papers. As you should know from the course syllabus, there's a major research paper for this course. It should be a 20 to 25-page paper, and it counts as 50% of the grade in this course. As I said, it's a major assignment. The most important idea that I'd like you to understand is that this is a research paper. This means that what you write should be based on your research, and it's important for you to base your writing on very solid research. The best papers are those that are based on solid research. For research in a course like this, you should look at a variety of sources. You should, of course, look at books related to your topic, but books should not be your only sources. Journals are as important as books when you're conducting your research. Journals contain academic articles, and you should, of course, be aware of the academic articles that have been written on topics related to yours. Another important source for your research is government publications and documents. Government publications and documents present a different perspective, that of the government in relation to your topic. And finally, you may also want to include newspaper and magazine articles if your topic is one that might have been included in newspapers and magazines. I hope that I've clearly conveyed to you the importance of research in preparing this research paper. To have a successful research paper, you should have a large number of sources. 20 to 30 different sources is a minimum. And these sources should come from various types of material, books, journals, government sources, and newspapers and magazines. 2 weeks from today, I'd like you to turn in the first stage of this research assignment so that I can check on your progress. 2 weeks from today, you should turn in your topic and an initial list of the sources you found so far. You'd better get to work. You have 2 weeks to come up with a topic and begin the search for sources.
Question for number 47. How many different sources are required? A. A minimum of 40. B. A minimum of 13. C. A minimum of 20. D. A minimum of 50. Question for number 48. What should be submitted in 2 weeks? A. A topic and some sources. B. The first draft of the paper. C. The first chapter of the paper. D. A list of possible topics. Question for number 49. How does the professor describe the paper? A. It is a minor part of the course. B. It should be 50 pages long. C. It is not covered in the course syllabus. D. It counts as half of the course grade. Question for number 50. What is not mentioned as a possible source? A. Government documents. B. Newspaper articles. C. Survey data. D. Academic journals.